Omaha is looking to study and possibly remove some traffic signals. You ever drive around town, think there's too many? Well, in a statement this morning, Omaha Public Works says it's part of a plan to modernize and upgrade the traffic signal system to improve safety as well as efficiency. They're looking at 10 specific locations. Since 2017, the city has removed 36 of them that weren't needed after field evaluation showed they no longer met certain requirements and safety.